This box is making noise. Can you help me identify it?
Likely doorbell with a bad transformer.
If that box is making a noise, open your front door.
It's a doorbell and there's a transformer somewhere not too far away. The doorbell sounds like it's stuck. Doorbells are not made to sustain continuous power to the unit. You need to turn it off ASAP at the breaker somewhere in the house and call an electrician to assist. It's likely a simple fix, but don't take the risk. Turn off the power and call electrician again. I'm not trying to sound like a dick. I'm probably wrong too, but no smart answer on here. We'll advance into the plan for water flow.
Doorbell. If the box is humming or buzzing, the doorbell button is stuck.
I have the same box where alive is a doorbell. Transformer is in the attic.
I had a similar situation after I installed the wired Nest doorbell. The transformer was causing the actuator for the bell to rapidly vibrate. Had to install a resistor to correct the issue.